Can you pay off everything you owe right now, including your credit card debt and personal loans? If not, then you are in debt. I'm going to show you how to attain financial freedom in your life. Today, we're going to talk about how to be wise with credit. It's important to understand that debt does not discriminate. Debt affects every race, social, and economic class. You can choose to be debt's victim or live financially debt-free.
So maybe you don't think you're in debt because you're able to meet your obligations every month. But what if you lose your job tomorrow? What if people come and start collecting your personal property? You say you only owe $4,000 in debt. You're doing pretty well, comparing yourself to other people that maybe they have $20,000 in debt. Well, look at it from this perspective. If you cannot pay off everything you owe right now, whether it's a credit card payment or a personal loan, then you are in debt. That may seem a little harsh, but the reality is that your creditors will come get your stuff whether you can't pay $1,000 or $1 million.
Hi, my name's Char with a C. In order to reduce debt in your life, you must be wise with credit. So, why are so many people struggling to pay credit card bills and loan payments these days? Well, the answer is because people are using credit cards over cash. Using credit cards can be more convenient than using cash. Credit cards are easy to make transactions online, over the phone, and make reservations for hotels and rental cars. People use credit cards to build credit and earn rewards for their purchases. The problem is that people create high interest debt by not paying off their credit card bill each month. Then you have to pay back the creditor with higher interest rates. The truth is that credit is a powerful financial tool when it is used properly. Credit can help you purchase a home, buy products, services, and obtain business loans. Credit can help you hold on to your money longer without fees. If you use a credit card to buy something and pay it off before the end of the grace period, which could be anywhere between 20 and 50 days, like if you buy right after the previous credit card billing cycle and your due date is at least 21 days from the end of a billing cycle. This will give you time to budget your payments and utilize the period of time between the end of a billing cycle and when your bill is due. And if you pay your credit card balance off within this time frame, the good news is that you won't pay fees with high interest rates. Hey, what's the difference between a credit card, debit card, and an ATM card? Well, credit cards are used to purchase goods and services by borrowing against an approved line of credit. Using a credit card is a signature loan. It's called a signature loan because you can get approved with your signature and your personal credit history. A debit card is a payment card that can be used instead of cash when making purchases. But unlike a credit card, the money is immediately transferred directly from the cardholder's bank account when performing any transaction. An ATM card is a payment card issued by a financial institution, which enables a customer to access automated teller machines, ATMs. Credit cards have some additional protections that debit and ATM cards do not have. For example, if a credit card is lost or stolen under the Fair Credit Billing Act, the maximum liability is $50. But if the missing credit card is reported before any fraudulent charges are made, then the Fair Credit Billing Act says that you are not responsible for any charges that you did not authorize. A credit card can come in handy in cases of emergencies, and a credit card allows you to hold on to your cash for a longer period of time. However, when your credit card bill comes, pay it off on time. And I also recommend that you only have one open credit card account. Why? Because more credit cards create more signature loans and increase debt in your life. So, What should the balance be on a credit card? It's really up to the individual, but I suggest keeping it between $1,000 and $1,500 as a good credit card limit for emergencies. That way the credit card monthly balance will be easier to manage and pay on time. It's important to make the decision to think and plan out your spending. If you do, you will not make unplanned buying decisions that increase your credit card debt and lower your credit score. So, the lesson to learn is do not become a slave to credit. Spending and using credit wisely is a choice and privilege. So, it's time to start practicing good habits with your money by being wise with your credit today. If you liked our Love Reconciled video, hey, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to click below to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified for more Love Reconciled videos. We have a lot more to share and you don't want to miss one. Hey, remember, love God more than anything.
And you'll do right by everything.
We love you.
See you next time.